Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about, what was it? Last year or something, David Risher comes to town because he is announced the new CEO of Lyft. And there is some predictions that we made back then that said, oh, does this open the door for a partnership between Lyft and Amazon? Or is this going to be a preparation for a possible sale or partnership between something like Doordash and Lyft? And lo and behold, last quarter, at the quarter reports, they were talking about their partnership between Doordash and Lyft. And now the rumor mill is spinning again and talking about Amazon possibly being a contender to purchase Lyft.
Yeah.
What do you think about this, being the finance guy?
Yeah, well, look, Lyft actually, under the new management, drivers may not like it, but they are doing better. They were left for dead. They came back, and from the first day, even when David Risher took over, I remember our conversations. I go like, is he going to prime Lyft for sale ultimately, right? We talked about that. And Amazon buying Lyft is like 1 month's worth of interest on the cash hoard that they have. I mean, Jeff Bezos is worth
Let me tell you one
billion.
reason why it makes absolute sense for Amazon to purchase Lyft, and that is Uber Connect. They will pay drivers to do Amazon delivery packages where they don't have to keep their Amazon drivers on anymore, and Amazon Prime can just funnel into Lyft. Why not?
Well, yeah, no, they can do that, but I think the network, right? It's the network is the important thing here, and because Amazon is working on these. They built these things from the ground up, by the way. It's not like just hardware, software, everything. It's called Zoox, and they are the AVs, autonomous vehicles. They're for four people, right? You sit facing each other. It's an interesting vehicle. It can actually park 90 degrees, wheels. It drives both ways at the same speed. They built this thing. I've seen it. I've seen it. I've seen it up in up north. So long story short, it makes sense to them to get in bed or buy somebody like Lyft because Lyft has the ready customer base, right? And so Lyft's infrastructure, it says on Yahoo Finance, isn't just a ride-hailing network, right? It's perfect launchpad for scaling Zoox's autonomous tech. Look, like it or not, these things are coming. And analysts point out that Lyft Zoox partnership wouldn't just challenge Waymo, could also push Amazon deeper into lucrative world of food delivery. Yes, it could. And so, as we know, Risher is completely opposed to food delivery, but this is another way of getting in there. Other deliveries, regular deliveries, obviously. So, does Lyft need to be saved by Amazon? No. It may be 2 years ago, yes. Now, no. But okay, what is Lyft worth on a takeover? Let's put our finance hats on. Lyft stock is $14 a share. Company worth about $5.5 billion market cap. What kind of premium should we put on it? 50% premium? Okay, Amazon buys Lyft at $20 a share. All right, $7.5, $8 billion takeover, which is literally nothing for Amazon, like nothing. Jeff Bezos is worth $250 billion. I think he can buy Amazon Lyft for like 30 times over. The point I'm trying to make is Lyft is doing things with other AV companies, but if Zoox's idea is to, operate on the Lyft network, I think it makes sense. On deliveries, it makes sense. They're in partnership with DoorDash. That made sense at the time. So, and you know, I know I'm gonna go back and watch actually when Richard took over. I think he was hired to turn Lyft around and put it up for sale, and this may be the year. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and that's what I'd said. I said, you know, we're looking at a year or two, and look, these partnerships are happening and possibilities. So who knows? We'll see what happens.
Yep.
But yeah, that's kind of been the rumor mill going on over the week, you know, the last couple of weeks when we were off. So definitely had to talk about that.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.